A man married a beautiful girl. He loved her very much. One day she developed a skin disease. Slowly she started to lose her beauty. It so happened that one day her husband left for a tour. While returning, he met with an accident and lost his eyesight. However, their married life continued as usual. But as days passed, she lost her beauty gradually. Blind husband did not know this, and there was not any difference in their married life. He continued to love her, and she also loved him very much. One day, she died. Her death brought him great sorrow. He finished all her last rites and wanted to leave that town. A man from behind called and said, "Now how will you be able to walk all alone? All these days your wife used to help you." He replied, "I am not blind. I was acting because if she knew I could see her ugliness, it would have pained her more than her disease. So I pretended to be blind. She was a very good wife. I only wanted to keep her happy." Moral: sometimes it is good for us to act blind and ignore one another's shortcomings in order to be happy. If you're not following me, you might miss out on seeing me again. But if you are, congrats. You're on a journey of continuous growth.